Hello. So, any of the videos will serve as memories in the future for me actually. Taken September of 2025. So, mag-Surigao nun ra ako para mas easy. So, that's Surigao City. Nibigya kami, nisakay kami ng ferry to Siargao Island. And then, ang first stop is Dapa. And then, we visited my step-grandma, Lula Pansing. And then, my cousins in Pilar, kay my birthday, so nangaten kami. And then, we visited my parents' first home in Siargao, in Pilar. So, let me show you around the house. Or not. It's a 3-bedroom house. Just basics. So, yeah, that's my husband and my cousin Milan. So my husband and his family will stay here during our stay. Me, on the other hand, will stay here, Samo Bed and Breakfast, still in Pilar. That's our tiny house. Because I have friends coming over also, that's why. Next day, went to the market to buy fish. Kay hamok lagi ako bisita. That's saang. And then this was our lunch. And let me take you to Magpupungko Beach, the famous Magpupungko Beach. So, this is famous Magpupungko Beach. Then, since ulit ako ng buko juice or coconut juice, nagpakuha ako since we have coconut trees around the area. So, there. Pagkaduyom, nikadto kami sa General Luna, which is really where the surfing is, and had dinner there. And amoy ni ang famous chicken, barbecue chicken ng Surigao and Siargao. Then that's nangaligo kami sa Magpupungko the next day. Also, went to pick up my best friend Lulette and bought limango or crabs sa Hi-Python, Del Carmen, and she bought me salbanas from Dumaguete. And this is her, Lulette. She's my best friend since 4th year in high school. The rest, best friend na nakubana. Then we went to Tubig Adjan. Sa Pilar gihapon ini sa Consolacion, which is part of where I'm from really. And then nangaunang ginanggang, halo-halo, salbaro. As in pagkaon na di ni mo halos makaon sa Amerika. That's for Lulette. And the crabs, the blue crabs. Yum. And that's, oh, Geraldine Gigi just arrived that day. So, nakaligo na sad kami. She's my best friend since 3rd grade school. Then we went to Sugbal Lagoon in Del Carmen. It was my first time, so I was really excited. And here I was, mag-ambak-ambak. Nalingaw ko ko diri. As in, it's very nice. One of the famous must-see when in Siargao. Of course, we didn't just stop there. After Sugbal Lagoon, we went to Santa Monica or Sapau, and then nangaligo sa Madga. This is, I think, San Benito kuno ini, not in Santa Monica. So, very, very beautiful also. And then, nangadto kami sa Trojan or Trugen, I don't know. The $1 Million Views. It's a hotel, and pwede ka mo snacks into and everything, maligo. Of course, very beautiful. And then, sa Coconut View, na Pilar gihapon. And we did this. We really had fun. That vacation was really fun. Natapos ang bakasyon sa Siargao Island. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye!